What happened, my brother? What happened?
Boy, I'm stressed out. 3 pitney. Boy.
1.
Me regret it still, you know. I regret it because from a breed, my woman, the first woman I did have, and get a girl picking it. I'm going to take up Fluffy and breed her and give him one and then go back in the same period of year when he push out the picnic and breed him again. A fool.
Fool, you fool for true. About talking about 3 picnic. Which one do you have 3 picnic? Open your eyes now, my brother. Eh? What every little penny you have, you spend pan them. You spend pan the next man back bearings.
And my youth.
You do DNA, they look like we. Every one of our family have the birthmark. Me see the birthmark pan 1 out of 3.
Listen me, a 14-year upon my case. Right? You can't rest now.
We come here and watch you turn puppy show.
No, me meet the Fluffy when I'm a virgin. I'm not taking virgin. Me take it. Me take it. Down on the beach.
You and who else?
Huh?
You and how many others?
Me alone.
You're an idiot.
Yeah.
Eh? You ever drunk, Popeye? You don't even know when you're in, much less something here. Eh? So how you know if virgin take or if you gone in a rabbit hole or reindeer hole?
Fire burn pan rabbit hole and reindeer hole. I go the right place and it bleed.
You got there when she up on our period, that she trick you.
Chico.
Yeah, idiot.
So you know so much and you can't talk about chick me.
Everybody have our name out the road. You know how much name called and them the 2 picnic? God bless them, is not their fault.
Bad mind. Because me are the first out of the family get 3 youth. I ain't no get none. You bad mind me.
One and you barely sure about she have the markings.
No, you bad mind.
And she kind of favor you too.
But
the other 2, which part me bad mind you? How me really for bad mind you as puppy show? Eh? You take your money, you not that you drink for sober up. Eh? But if you did take your money and buy rum and enjoy yourself, it's not too. But you take your money and turn puppy show. I walk around with them, the 2 girls, and I say yours. You know how much name call on that?
No name no call upon my picking them. I'm me alone. Me a girlis. Me a father of the year. You're foolish. You're
idiotist of the year.
What you talking about?
Go look it up. You're idiotist of the year.
Even auntie.
Hello.
Evening. What? Oh, so no mama. I think slow, man. How am I do? You might eat a lot?
She not that slow. She quicker than you think.
No, man.
No, me have to really stand up and look for you because I wonder what that do you.
That's a do you, girl?
With scandal.
Listen, girl, if anybody has scandal like
with
you,
a black
me
scandal
and you know the real scandal. If I the real puppy show idiot, go a scandal bag. Everybody not only see through you, then go through you, and so tell them, bust you wide open. You don't want to share your front of them.
You don't have no
brother.
Open your eyes.
Yeah, man.
Are you a tell her how under me look?
No, stand up.
Smell under how you look.
Stand up, yes, sister, and shut up your mouth, no?
Hey,
look at
how you can't come between family.
Get rid of the blackboard, no?
Ha!
No, back up yourself now.
Back up myself. Me not back up myself.
You can't this my sister.
Back up myself for what?
Because me and my sister come from the same mother, you know. So you can't diss her. Anyway.
Me no want to get down for you, you know. Listen, she over here come talk about jacket.
When?
Tie.
Yeah, because when me a come out, I swear that me ear she say about jacket. You think no ear? Me ear. Yeah. Oh no ear.
Winter jacket.
Jacket.
Winter jacket.
Come talk about this and talk about that. Listen.
But we are jacket.
Hello. One problem. One of the funny road.
We are mommy. Yeah, we are mother work. We see our stuff.
So now go.
Ask mommy when she go. She will work with.
Where the care them go?
Sir, the collect become collect. That me come from. I pitney them allowance.
Not just 3 days ago, me give you $15,000.
How much pitney? How much are they see in front of you?
2 of them. Remember, tell me you have other one, you know.
$15,000 can do.
You cycle or 3D. Look how long 3D gone.
How are you the teacher
Real
putting them
puppy
say?
show.
Where are teacher putting them say?
God.
So them
is
papa
not
nah
this?
mind them.
Hello.
$15,000 can't
3D
do
gone
nothing.
already.
How you think this is?
You know how much
You think I'm offering?
you know how much baby mother out there now and get $2,000 per child?
I remember we eat enough too.
Where you come at
So
that?
$15,000 can't do
Lunch,
nothing 2 hours.
breakfast, lunch,
Plus
and
half
dinner,
past
plus
school.
supper. What you think?
Hello. Fuck it up, puppy show.
Go on pharmacy, go buy wash out and wash out the worm them out of them belly.
Your daddy a puppy show. Your
I don't
so-called
care what
daddy a
them
puppy show.
have. I just come for colic. I'm a left for
give
me
yourself
because
no money.
I saw the smell right. I need for left for so.
Give yourself.
Every minute
me
chop
handle
in
this now.
alligator mouth.
Open your eyes when you
hear out
handle
in that
it.
place.
Alright, you know me I say. Be
What
yourself.
I can say she no black and you brown. And she the put them take care of her.
No.
Achoo,
We're not
achoo,
no jeans.
Achoo, see
You
them.
know the truth and I know the truth. Only this you wanna know the truth.
See them, I wanna see
Only
my-
this you want.
No.
See, she admit it. You know the
Look
truth.
on the color.
You know the truth. And I know the truth. The whole land know the truth.
Alright, daddy, we don't chat in no one money for gas school now.
Fuck up the money, puppy show.
I Papa get them. Are you get them? I Papa get them.
No, we not get them. Well, you better go find the owner. Go find the owner.
Alright.
What a way smell of sperm. What for
Alright.
sperm is smell?
Sis. Calm down.
Wash your hand before you come a road, lady.
Alright, you are.
So mommy, so when you forget money after your argument.
Me check it later. Now check it later.
Actually, you see all what the sister over there.
Me check it later.
Okay, that fuck you long
Me check it
time.
later.
Papi show.
Go on, later me check it. Me not no money for me now. But so later me check it. Go on.
I hope so.
Go on.
You think you?
Since how can the embarrassment for the road?
Brother, you know, look pan the woman.
Let you.
She a piss pan you now, even call it rain. You know, see she come out to the lane with her trousers undone. Eh? You leave her this morning with her clothes undone. She'll come out to the lane with her pants
Her belly
undone.
big, so she have to pull it down so she get more space in the pants. When you expect the pants is tight. When you want it to squeeze up, suppose one next one in the belly.
Okay. Where the red nose? Where the red nose? Bobo. Where the red nose?
You understand?
Eh, you don't understand. You know if you understand, man. Bobo. You know if you understand. Me gone.
Red nose. What am I talking about? Sure.
So here what happened now? We are going to check the man. I'm telling them about. No, me at that. So here why. So when time we reach there, me want to no call him daddy.
Alright.
When the father don't know about this one.
Get back,
So me want to no call him daddy. You hear me say? So here what? You know, so we want the little money. And where your father give me already and you know you go cause you look a piece of house so we live in
You
an
want to build up something better.
yes. So here what? You see when I go? Manners, behavior. Approach him properly. So you go take off our money and for him. Alright. I don't go on.
Say, say, even daddy.
Evening, what going on with daughter?
For I'm my baby daddy.
Daddy,
My there.
you good? Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
So you look so sleepy.
Boy, I'm telling man, I'm tired man. Whole heap of things me there.
Well, what's my carry them people can look for you?
What me not understand and like, how I be here no and then I bring them come.
God, yeah,
Sometimes I
yeah,
have to wonder if them are for me, cause one brown and one black. One a chocolate and one
A dark chocolate, no worry yourself. You run in our family. So that's why they ain't come black.
So how you bring them for?
Well, you don't talk to no father. Talk to no father, cause you see.
We hungry and want money to buy something.
In time me talk to him, he no believe me.
So I'm to no mother.
She not have no money, that's why we come to you.
So me have money.
Because you're father.
So
Because you're alright. Remember, she
How
come
for
to father.
responsibility?
oh,
How for responsibility?
well, anyways, not too have not much for me, but that's why me can't find the house. Don't move.
You just try for keep up, boy, you don't have no money and this and that. Around bar, you want to look at money for go now. So we have to call it before you go around bar. You love the bar more than you love himself.
Like him can't find the money, so.
See me, I went there.
Yeah, man, you're forward.
Hurry up, man. Me have somewhere else to go, man. Me have something to do.
Alright, that's a 2 year older one. You hold on for this, sir.
$500.
Yeah, look like one.
Daddy, me no want that. Daddy, me no want that. Come again, daddy, me no want that.
What's your door, Jesus
Daddy,
Christ?
you have to give me 5 bills too.
Yeah, look, pa, you're lucky to get this. You know how much pitney I go in bed without this. Yeah, look like one. What you do with money? Hold this.
So we're there. You know want pocket money. You know spend money.
She a little girl. She didn't even fear get no money from me.
Well, me buy what she want. Give her money. Give her money.
Alright,
Equal. You can't do it so.
You hold this.
250.
Alright, share it. Yeah, mother now. Hold this, sir. Hold this. Yeah, mother.
No.
When you find a new man, I don't like you.
Me want money. Me need money for spend.
Yeah,
Don't run put
that.
me. Don't run put money come on to my money.
This is your money now. Daddy, you have to do them things there. You have to know for work. $50
you want to look for mommy
and we are saying.
So,
remember, she bring up on the earth and if I never she would order there.
Me and the mother not there again, you know.
Yeah, but if I never she would order there, so you have to work out the thing good.
Tell him again.
Yo.
Don't run put me when you come on to my money. You're bright. Come on.
Go
Wanna come?
Go on, come back.
We are going to come back when we hungry
Sorry,
again.
come down, yeah. Your damn pocket broke like.
Morning.
You must just awake. Cause on the morning. Aye. 4:29. And you come tell me morning.
Look here, I'm going to come pick you. I'm going to come for phone a conversation with you.
Oh, God. You see the lifestyle we want to live. You see the lifestyle we want to live. Look.
You see what the old black ugly tumble about picking it them you fuck you out long time and us, you know. Look here, don't
take
test
care
me
of
like
all
that.
I know. Me take care of all I know.
Come now and give me a little money so I
The
can go about my
company we are
business.
par with, and them black your friend and get money most of the time.
Nothing wrong with him. Not a thing wrong with him.
You don't see something wrong with that?
No.
The par with. You don't see nothing wrong with the friend?
Not a thing.
Huh?
No, oh yeah,
Oh boy.
I don't know what kind of stingy father this is here, you know.
Girl, I don't know neither.
But he's a big fool. Because look how he animal said complexion, eh? And he love give the black crusty dry head pitney them. Who all of the money?
I left me if you give me some look.
I left you to suffer.
Right.
All the rat one. All the one of you want rat pitney. And then you have the mus. My God, the two of them combine.
Ratatouille family.
Weed head. They look like you have bun weed.
Yes.
Eh? I don't know there one fella.
Come now and give me money. You chat too much, man. Come, you chat too much sometime.
Buy one juice with that. One juice and one chips. That must can full of belly.
Come, you have good money in your hand and you look for me come give bad man 3 bills. Look here. You're very, 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 very stingy.
Backside. I'm glad cause I can go use this buy one drink of rum.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah man, live life with your
Me a weed
Ah, that the way I go
and
do.
you a rumhead. That's how your teeth they look so.
So we are Talk now, turn off, man.
You see what kind of friend you have?
Yes, if you did that, give me money, me would have to
Yes,
go
if
to
you
road,
can
go
take
look
Harry
what them
and
there.
take the shop.
Mind you pop me chain.
You
Look
want-
here, go sit down. Daddy chill now.
Yo, look, you think you can rob me? Me rotted! Hey girl! Where you really stop me for?
I want you to open your eyes, my brother, and stop farm fool. Everybody else here is an idiot. The village clown, the village
No,
idiot.
listen to me. Me not know village clown. I must know which pick of mine, and the three of them is mine. And I'm proud. I am proud to be a daddy.
You have a 1/3.
No, listen.
You have a 1/3.
Listen what me I try to tell you, say. You see, if you get picnic, you'd have come out from my back long time. But three you don't get none, you'd have probably keep.
That not had nothing to do
bother
with
me
it.
and
I
I
know
tell-
my family. All our family have the
But they have your
markings.
color.
So, look how much black people are all over the world. Look how much white people, brown people, yellow people, purple people. That not say, brother, do a DNA
Do a DNA for what?
to make sure you want to know so the numbers is right. What you gonna do? Wait till them 18 and find out so them is not
No,
yours?
you only if it's any brown. Move that's your jacket.
You're idiot.
But
You
then-
think say color make everything?
Of course.
You're really
A
idiot.
color run. So if me and somebody dark should get a child, and that child is brown, I would say it's jacket. But me dark and if somebody a little bit brown, I would say yes, it's mine.
That's why tickers pick you. You're a real jackass idiot, eh? Eh?
You know, so sometimes me wonder if you just that hate me. That's a look on my blood them and I call them jacket.
No, me no look for all share them and call them jacket. Only the jacket and tie and the suit. And only call them ring too.
I want them to go. But see how them pick me up. Boy,
Yeah.
I tell you.
Jacket and tie, you call the suit and the tailor appears.
Evening, one I go. One really I go. I don't want to know. One really I go.
Welcome to daddy. I don't get reward with the walk up. Yeah. I will see you. So you can give me no buy juice. We're thirsty.
So the money when we come give you no matter yesterday after.
Daddy, every minute
What
I
one
listen
really?
to the that can't do ya 2 hours we eat done. We expect
enough.
daddy we eat no food out 2 times we eat for the 3 times. You must say no.
Me and my sister live under one roof
Yeah.
and we not eat so much.
Ah.
Yeah, cause we small. We can't budget for no way, but we can do it. So we want more food
Where food I go?
in our belly.
One in on the foot and one in on the head.
Yeah.
So every eat your foot get bigger and your head get bigger.
To our head. It's
I
our
too.
head big.
No, you get
Yeah, and
your
that,
auntie.
no, big head, no one in our family.
No man, you have your head
Not
man.
running them. Remember,
big
God
head
knows.
there.
I'm from Unabon. Your papa spend money, say he should have gone further in life, you know.
Money
not
that
enough.
we are saying, you know.
And enough for make it last, so no man.
Make it enough so much.
And
So
it's
we
like
have to
leech.
every day and ask you for money, and if you make it be enough money, so we
Yeah.
have to say, Jesus Christ, every day we are going to daddy.
We just ask for juice money. Because we thirsty.
But one good question you want to ask
You know,
me.
daddy, I think money go
When I be on the road, them a time of evening,
we are
that
walking
me a
down the road.
go do what?
We just walk.
And that we are saying we are church to foot them.
So no down the yard for do.
No, everything that we are do it already.
No book, no did if you take up and study. 5 plus 5. 10 plus 10.
20.
20 plus 20. 40 plus 40.
Yeah.
We're not ready to come.
Brains running away
We
from
come,
the
daddy,
door.
we come for your money.
40 plus 40.
Want the money?
Money.
See it?
I,
A juice we are
and you no see. You know, little girl.
We can't
we realize anytime we forget money.
you're in there, yes. You see,
And
and
you
she
ever the
stop
cuss.
it, yes. And you stop with it.
And I know you will
every
ask
time
me.
we come to our father, you ever stop it.
Boy, you can find your real father.
That's our business.
We can't buy one juice. Cuss now.
Boy, I mean, I know if me say auntie still, I mean, I have it like
Them
that.
favor you come so. You should even take one right now. You should even add up one and keep.
Take what? Take what?
You know me.
Take what? You don't take ownership and possession long time. Me now come right back the
So why now you
boat.
say if you're now auntie, why every time we come to our father, you jump in?
Because he's my brother. Me know that by blood.
Go up. No manners. Anyway.
Man, you could never rank so as
Come
picnic.
on, we are go up so. But hear me I say. You can't judge the book by the cover. They are my bloods.
Do
They
DNA.
have your complexion.
Do DNA. Do DNA or me not stop done call you Bobo.
Now you still upon that.
So I go on.
No go on.
So where
Me-
kids them there?
Them gone down the road before me. So
Oh. It's a good look, man. What they ain't gonna do?
no, normal kids as usual, them gone down the road, so them a go walk out and something.
Walk out them a time, yeah.
Our time now. Oh. Let me see. Come on, man, I just 5 o'clock. You're going like you're too strict, you know. You put them can't walk out.
Them too young for the on the road them a time, yeah.
Well, do you know them so then gone buy them little sweetie and something, so what me I go do again?
Hope they ain't
I'm
come
just
back
gone
in
pan the
time, you know.
road.
I hope they ain't come back. Cause I don't want nothing to them, you know. Nothing at
No,
all.
nah do them. What fi do them?
What you mean what to do them?
I hear them born and grow. What fi do them?
Alright, then.
But not trouble them, man. Don't worry yourself. You know, say you worried too much. I wonder if you worry over me, so.
Me a worry over you for.
What you mean, so you worry over me for?
You look like me
So
too.
you look for me so far.
You look like me too, daughter them.
You know what? Why?
So you see, so.
It come like every man me take up a problem. Here what? Go on. Go on up tired. Me so go on, me so come.
How that?
You make sure you fall.
And stuff and worry yourself.
It's a fine out, brother.
Stay and hold up my time.
How then there? How is man
Jesus Christ, this little chichi in me.
How is man turn up yourself with?
We are worried
Come
about
here
which
so
man
me
me turn
talk
up.
to you.
We
Come here
are
so me
worried
talk to
about
you.
which man me turn up yourself with for.
Which,
And none of your business.
which man me just see yourself with? Talk to me good. Me want to know.
I'm a friend. I'm a friend.
Your friend no? Are your friend?
Yeah.
Our friend.
So me can't keep friend.
Alright, baby, you can keep
Don't
friend.
go like I say me can't keep friend.
Huh?
You're a real bobo.
Where are these news I've read upon me? What them bubble?
Is another candidate for do the test pan?
But where the hell this
Is
is?
another candidate for do the
How where
test
this little...
pan?
No.
You know, somebody tell us if you take your sister out of me and your life.
My sister.
Take cool water. Let me tell you something. A blood make me and him there. A screw make you there.
Yeah, she have a point. She have a point.
Why?
Blood thicker than water. She have a point. You know, yes, sis. Just calm yourself. You have to just respect your sister-in-law.
No matter what you are going to try, you can't get me out.
Everybody don't get you out.
You can try and try and try. You can't get this
and
year out.
And all
My plant right here, so.
Yes,
You're a real tree.
My plant right here, so.
Yes, I like that. I like that still because the plant right, yes, sir.
And my man this.
As well as others. Yeah, man.
Till the tomorrow and forevermore.
Oh,
As well as the others.
So me want to know what you for.
No, you can't. You're gone too far now. You're gone too far
Yes, you're
now.
gone too far now.
I fear money mostly spend on the pit of them. When me never have it back then. I fear money by Pampers and then them shit like a duck. I fear money by feeding. So if you have man
So where you look? What you looking?
Well,
What
you
you
never mind
looking?
your picking.
What you begging and what you looking
Begging
for?
what?
I fear food.
Begging when
when
me
you
a
have
beg my
daytime.
brother for open him eyes, cause everybody and the town knows say the
No,
whole tailoring
no,
shop.
no, bother with it.
For you, brother, me stop.
No, not gonna son.
For you,
My
brother.
youth them. They have your complexion. I'm my youth. Then and every pitney when I have them father complexion, a jacket in.
Hold on. You say you there, sir. Tell me so me can't deal with your sister, so. Guess when me pass him the other day?
Where?
The other night.
Where?
Eh? When me a come in from supermarket, guess when me pass him?
Where fast?
Out a bridge.
Oh God, you full buddy.
That bridge me pass that. And if you see when in a two,
So well,
you have to one day for big woman that.
No, I don't believe you. You see my sister out there collect her money.
Where? In our.
She have a business shop over there. I hit me tell you, you chat too much.
In a two have that and the two of them out the door.
girl, when you lie, you try to
Belly
good.
skin too.
Oh God, hush,
You want to see her?
hush.
You know, some feel like something wrong with you.
What's wrong with me? What wrong with me now? Tell me.
First time when we used to know you back then, you were so lovey-dovey and you were so nice. And you were so squishy. You come like them, where teddy bear something their name. What their name?
Lada.
Slushy. Squeeze, yeah, squishy, yeah, nice.
That's for me and you.
But you know,
You see, since this tumbling bug come crawling in our life, me have to frat like a angels. Me have to frat like when angels touch water.
God, that's because the demon are come out to you, my dear. You need an exorcist. You see, when the frater come out to your mouth, pray
no.
and call on the Lord. Because the devil are
You know,
come out.
And you're the only devil in our way.
You know where you do wrong? You know where you do wrong? You say you frat like an angels when they come out?
Yeah, she make me ratty like
you
that.
do it wrong. My sister, you know, in our words, because you should have just looked at her twice and she come like Pepsi when they jump rusting nearly night, you just shoot in her ear.
Jesus Christ. So you're back up with your sister now?
We are blood.
No. So you're back up with she?
Alright, and I don't ask you, the main partner if you ask you, why the two bad getting picked them up on the road?
Then go and buy them sweetie.
And top of asking for money?
Yes.
Just show us that.
A sweetie money they have.
Like say I sell out the picking them to man, you know. I go and go
How them know? How them know? So them gonna see you on the road for ask you.
I'm
And
a
gonna shop.
Them don't know so them wait. They don't know so them a go see up on the road, you know.
Come on, go
But
on.
then say them a go shop go buy their sweetie. But you see you.
But we see it tomorrow. Me I go take out a lawsuit against you. Me I take me two picking them. I go and take them in with me and my sister.
Take them and go on with her.
Yes.
Take them and go on with her. I'm sorry, see I did put myself with a parasite like you.
You see, when you do the test and you
know,
prove so them is yours, they're welcome.
So you know, take them. We don't bother with the test business. They can't do tests. Tests not really necessary. Tests break up family. You never know that.
I'm test give your answers, my brother.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know,
test
say I'm
your
sorry, say I
answer.
did go put myself with a parasite like you.
You see when the truth
You know that?
You see when she a fraud again. See the fraud
Because
come. Run,
if
brother, run.
you go take for your side. When me and you did in the bed, what she did there?
I true, baby. I true.
When she a fraud
Top it out now. Top it out. Zip it. Zip it.
Hey,
It look like that man that want me to lock the...
You will find out.
Later. Yes.
It look like you want me lock shop.
Come on.
You better come on,
We are
boy.
good on.
Go away, girls.
Girl, then I call her last night.
Me here, me got me very early. They tired.
Oh. Anyways, girl, you know, so me tell her about she know me all of some of them are from Sheen.
You have to mind in a cause when they come, only one, this year one alone did good. The rest of them come up, pop up. Me have to glow them up.
I make
Baby rat, most go about no business. Me didn't want to see you right now. Go on now. Where you want? No, me a bigger one. Me a ratatouille.
You know.
Oh, so me can walk and come out anytime.
Yeah, but another will come boss still.
Where
Come for
you
ask if we can get our money, please. Go buy.
Help me look face to hold them
enough, so. But
Aye,
Jesus,
so
enough,
finger out
so.
of my front
And then
face.
you will come to us, she will come to us, sister will come.
Help me look face to hold them chat
I
cause.
look up in our sister we are big and you we are big. We're not talking that way. You're out and
I look up in here, so look over and people from beg. We not feel
look
beg.
the family happy. And that we are still.
So I hit back now. Keep your mouth now, Liza.
Me joking here.
Don't play with Liza. Keep your mouth.
Man, put your family sister, girl. Shut up and fear more. Man,
you know see then we gang your girl. I told you look over that.
Man, we are doing look.
Let's see me cook. Move first, man.
No, wait till every time for you know something right them.
Where you want?
Money for God.
I don't got none. Go to your papa. Your papa alone.
Look young girl.
Shut up now, sister. We are beg. We are beg.
We are beg. Yes, you.
Stop touching me.
Alright.
One down your road.
You're too nervous.
Maxim.
Me no want hear my sister. I got on certain way. Me no like it.
What you mean by? She ring something.
I was gonna say, I don't think she say down with this man here. But
Lock up your mouth. Lock it up.
What?
Lock up your mouth. When me tell you that?
What me hear from what I'm out?
Did I ever tell you something done with your father? Me and your father, no father can't done.
That's your mother say?
No, say that.
She never said that.
So me no know where she a come to.
She said, answer my question. She said,
She said, "Put a cup mouth." Cause I that me ear,
Okay.
me my ears them clean.
You know, say that little girl the way you have there. She too wassy.
no.
And no fan lie.
Who make him was it? I'll push her out. And me and you.
Are you always a start the
one of
drama
them
with me
there.
and make them see me and you are cuss all the
Me
time?
a video and can't come show you see and lie. Just wait.
Yeah, idiot.
Okay.
Look
So
at
that's a gone.
You know, say
Oh,
go
what a
back in your
gone.
mouth up here. You know me I go back in your
You're
mouth.
gonna turn your face up, yeah. Cause you see you too wicked.
Bet you go
What
out
a
with your
little
father.
girl I feel like I
you
say she
tapping
thinks
her
that me
ear.
and her are
You
up.
shut
A
up
size
before
up
me
here.
get that off of your
You
head.
chat too much.
You
and
shut
that's your-
up. Oh, come
You
on
see?
now. Hey, don't ramp with
That
me.
is when time we nah do no good co-parenting. You understand? Yes, when you make your sister get in between and them tired fissy me and you are jab, 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 and me and your sister yab, 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 and then there's something they lead up to.
So you want to say it's because of me and my sister, make them a yab, yab,
Right.
yab, yab.
Because of you and your sister.
No worries, I'll talk to my sister tomorrow when
Right.
she come for.
I true you know, cause you see in that
Too much cussing and whining in front of the people
You come
them.
to your father and you are your father. So she say, no, daddy, it's one of them there, man. Cuss her, no, tell her, I
Yes,
say,
why me
anytime
tell her,
I come
say,
to
take
you,
a pill?
tell her, I said, no, come in
Can't
there.
take the pressure. We need to-
Take which pill?
We wouldn't have two, that just have one. You can't take the pressure. Them chat too much.
Let me tell you something, baby. You're a nice baby father. Take which pill? When you're bossing at this, me not take no pill.
A boy did to ban and them girl
Well,
people,
make we try again.
no, me not try again.
What
Me
make?
under pressure and stress and you want me try again. If me get one more right now, murder. Me not do like you have people them yeah. We can't maintain pitney and I get one bag of pitney if you do. If you look, just look for them, so. I have my name for life
Let
post.
me ask you something. Let me ask you. When you lock up on your ears, you know love this.
Yeah,
You know sweet.
yeah,
Hey, especially when you turn back, you know.
yes.
So where you come talk about? Where you going so far?
We can't let go with ears now.
Take
Let
on the
it go
backside, go on up, go bed. That's all you can do. Go on up, go
Go on no
bed.
yard.
I'll make sure that I sleep
Go
when
on
you
no
come up.
yard. When you don't see me and no father, lock up on no mouth. And no eye too. Go on no
Make
yard.
sure you not sleep
And
when
me
you
and
come
no
up.
father
Come
for
on,
day.
we are going to the road, go get something to eat. Make
Go
sure,
on up.
make sure you know. And top them off in me yard and tell my sister.
I tell her not call me and I'm a friend.
You know, say,
Lick down him backside.
you know, say.
Lick him down, make him... Go up on your yard, girl. Go up.
Come on, babes. Come on.
No way they mad.
Back like a...
Girl, me really and truly can't believe seeing a box on you two little girl them in front of you.
Girl, me I tell yourself a tappiness cause I eat at them there. You cannot feel what argument with
No
this
man,
rat.
you rat, you see rat one she nah no manners.
None of them have
You
no
nah
manners.
no manners, she just a flare up so.
A fire and be.
No,
As
sir.
I had little gas to me in blaze.
Girl,
I tell you, say,
No, man.
me tell her you say,
and if you draw up in a
I
hand,
don't jump a soul and never birth none, so I don't jump a...
are you them gonna embarrass?
They can't embarrass me because me go and like some, I don't know them.
Well then, go and let them know you.
Well, then continue go on,
Still
so.
up on the road.
What your business for? Eh?
Yeah, my pitney, me have to care.
You not care. You say that when me a dead for hunger, me beg your money. What you do?
You robbed me yesterday. No?
Me not rob you. You give me $300. You give me $300. You look at your big pitney and give me $300 but for buy chips and
So what?
Oh, okay. So that's why my pitney them can't get them money. That's why they can't get them full
She
allowance.
went off with the money
Hey, look
yesterday.
how dog face woman. Me no want you rank yourself with my sister. Can you see because of you and your ungrateful chipmunks them when you have back of you, my sister can't get no money. So you see a little chance and what she get for rob him, make sure rob him and come out because of you and your
Did I
tree.
see
And your
you?
2 months to care them.
Did
and you
I
don't think
see
you
you?
father. Me no want you see me.
Is your name Kena? Am I talking to
Yes,
you?
me name Kena too. See you talk to me.
Huh?
I have 5 girls. No,
Look
you
at Chihuahua. Am I talking to you?
Me a Chihuahua.
Come
Why
here.
you rat and most dry head?
Bloody with a rat bat.
Eh?
One
You
love.
are your rat
Just one way I go move out of my face. Before me have to back sit down here today. Look here. So that's why my people them can't get them allowance.
Hold my phone there. I so comes the word I'm gonna flow properly coming off anyway. Look at Jahhead, ugly old man. You see, anytime you address me properly. You see, you didn't even come here and ask me how much money I got. I only got $300. I fear I you look
What if I told you
ugly.
never take out and pocket and run off with?
Me no business about that. Let me use that. They ain't gonna man do whatsoever.
Okay. No still money.
Oh man, anytime I get $15,000 so me can't get no money. None me not get. Me have to do over there. Me swallow spit me name ear. Me tired of hate. Me tired for near me.
What?
Look here.
You take me baby daddy money with brute force.
I feel me papa too. I don't fear one alone.
How you so sure? How you so sure?
Me not even sure if it's
Oh, you so sure?
them. Not even sure if I feel them.
Them block if
I'm gonna
Them
do
worry
it.
yourself. Them anti-black and them anti-them take you off.
Because the man run away. Let me pity them. Yeah, give man. Poor man.
Set the fall. Come out of my life.
Come, oh God, you know.
How do this a mongrel dog, yeah?
Shemawa.
How do this a big
You forgot the guy shame tree dog at the beach? You forgot?
Come on, man. I pick them. Them are still a piece bed. Come on.
Damn right. Come here.
You not even can watch. To one big old grandma woman and
No, you don't have to call that as why we have them? Somebody else look for daddy. Somebody else look for daddy.
Give me a chance.
Lick down in Nasi. Lick him down out here today. Lick him down. Lick him down.
Go let
Mash him up.
Go let that big red woman.
You see how I can set the phone over there, sir?
You see how
Lick her down.
You have a jacket and suit. You see there's something where you have. But I suggest you see money where you go use lick me and can make a doctor. You go use that and go do a DNA test because there's no way you poop a black and mama brown. No, you're not black. There's no way you poop a brown and the mama brown and the pitney come black. And the sister brother?
No.
So how the sister jeans are going?
Are you on him couple and get them?
Oh man.
Are you on him couple and get them?
Delete yourself. One
Right.
business. Me even it for young. You're not like. They ever want
You know so that to yellow you have a problem.
Left
Right.
Hold your phone.
Evening, my daughter. What go on?
You know say you will just come look for.
Sure. I can't for money this trip.
Then our
Money all time.
yeah.
Every time, so.
Money needed every day. Every day spend money.
I must chill it. You bring me that.
Every day money spend. Wanna come for?
Money.
Wanna come for?
Money. I wanna come for no look bit of money like yesterday, you know, when I give she for this and I give mommy $50 and I wanna come with that, you know. We come with top money.
Tell him again.
You know. We come for like all, you give me all a 10 grand, 20 grand and say, oh, this can save every week. Come back next week. And then Monday we come for, wanna come for no look bit of money.
You can't spell money.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean say if people them can't spell money? What kind of illiteracy is that? What this man here, sir?
Him think you're not teach you that him think.
Who she?
Walk it, girl, walk it. Walk it, girl, walk it.
Father,
Scandal bag.
Father God.
Good evening, sir.
What is this now?
Me did see you the other day. Well, me and my brother walk up the hill. You didn't know you was talking to her. Me did
Every
see you,
windy.
no.
Yeah.
You is what, her brother?
Jesus.
No, I'm a baby madam. Two daughters them.
So where you laugh at?
Which one? Who is your children with her?
The two of them.
Hi, this turn tie now. Hey, you get jacket and tie.
Jesus Christ.
Sir, let me tell you something. She
Woman, why you never pass on mind your own
two
business?
children from my so-called Bobo the Clown brother. My brother claimed them. And she put jacket, tie, and suit. The whole tailoring shop. So you get tailor shop too.
In just always a pop-up.
And that way say you walk.
Coming from I don't know.
Lisa, now me daughter them.
So follow no? You gonna believe her over we?
Who are your father?
You.
Who are your father?
Stand up in front of me.
Oh God, we want
We don't know.
If I
Yeah,
share
see,
me never
everywhere
have
we
my
go, she
camera.
come now like she's
Share
a
me never
piece
have
of
my
mix
camera.
up.
Mister, look into yourself. She a browning. You a lighter browning. You have black sister or black brother?
No.
Your parents them black like me?
No.
Okay. And you get them too.
So you gotta take it. So what you say?
Trousers,
You taking what she say?
you get with she.
You hear what she say?
And she try plot my brother with them.
You taking what she say?
So a jacket really give me.
But some don't know her.
You don't know your baby father.
I don't know her.
You don't know your baby papa them neither.
For your brother, I'm father. You know me, but for your brother, I'm father.
You never just point to this man and say, you are my father. Sir,
You know, say,
look
you
into it
see
and
you?
check into things.
You
Can you get the
You see
whole
you?
tailor suit? Me God, what? What's it
Lock up your mouth.
So Lisa, a really jacket. Them
No.
They look like jacket to you?
We're black, but we are not jacket.
all this.
They look like no jacket?
All this year, me don't need to do what me have to do already. Me warm up when December come. Take care of yourself. Me a go. Later. Me leave a bother go. Me a go later.
Idiot. You see you? You see you? You see you? You want me hold you and just box in your mouth. Box in it. Hey, girl.
And that you forget
see
to
you?
chat too much. Me tell us if you
Why you have to love chat so? Why you love chat so? Keep by your mouth when you see me a chat. You see? Me, I don't even want to know back at me. Go about to no business. Go about. Come. Me and you are go down the road. Go about your business.
Go on up your
Love
road, man.
chat
Chat
and
too
mix
much.
up like.
Bitch, I never believe to backside. I know I can't believe that's why me say.
Rat, Muslim, come here. How do you?
After me and mommy and my sister good on this so.
Wow.
And she go meet and next man we say, oh father, I'm gonna tell the truth say and I'm a father. Look man run me got me yard.
Me no
I'll
wrong
box
her.
me in my face.
You don't know if it keep by your mouth. But I saw that the exam them here going down the sofa.
Yes.
Oh. Well, yeah, you must know. Besides, just say one more thing I need to get clear. My pooper is not your pooper. You see your black? No, you see your black?
Wow.
No, my pooper brown and your mother brown, so I could never my
take her
father
from
your
auntie.
father. Oh, your auntie breed your mama? Are your auntie breed your mama? I must have it so.
We didn't funny road the time I was there. Look funny night. Look here.
Daddy, me and mommy are walking and I go down the road and my sister, you know, she go back up and the man, she say, our father, you know. And
Wish
come.
Hey, what you say to him?
Auntie come.
I thought he was your father.
Auntie come, you know. So when auntie come, me say I talk, say, I know him my father, yeah, my father. And mommy beat me, box me. And say me chat too much.
Me not believe that. I don't believe one word we have to right now. Me feel like me just get another hand back. If I really get a hand back. Look for me and tell me what your mother say.
She say, me chat too much.
Me feel like you chat too much. You took a tell lie for your mama. Anyway, what you want to do yourself?
Oh, me?
Go. It wanna go. Go.
Me can't, no, me away from my friend. Me don't know about you, but me.
When you say you have to
Nobody
go on your yard.
No, cause you barely have give me money for buy no, so me don't think you have to need to lick up back everything what in on me.
You need to go on your yard.
I don't
Get up and go on your yard.
Me away from my friend when my friend come.
Me away from her when she move.
No, go on with a papa girl. No, go on with
When
a
you move, me move.
Me don't want you back on me. Go on with
Come on, me sit down, me father you too.
Good.
Let me go now, girl.
When you move, me move.
Look here. Control him now. Take him with you now. I feel penny, you know. I him underage, you know.
You're underage too.
No, I'm not underage.
When
too.
you move,
you have your
me
pitney,
move.
you don't even know your pitney age. I am 18 years old.
Since when
and
you're
that's
18?
long time.
You do not
Me
reach
born 2007. Where I tell me, say, check my birth paper. Check it.
You're still a child, no matter what.
I am not a child.
When you're 21, you're the adult.
Well, mind me then, so I can't feel like me are you picking it. Mind me.
Me not supposed to mind you. You're
Exactly,
18.
so allow me. Right, me are 18 then.
Follow.
Him by here.
Yeah.
Me away from.
Goodbye.
Follow her. Backside.
Yes, girl. Me tell you, say the whole tailor shop she a game. Yes. As soon as my brother come, me I go tell him. Me hope him listen to me this time. How 14 years a jacket come. Oh. All right,
God, I'm tired.
Talk to you later.
Tired. Oh, God. What's going on?
Come sit down, brother. Come sit down.
Oh, God, have mercy. Oh, yes.
How was your day?
Kind of little. good and bad and rough and stressing because my daughter come tell me say mother box him down because he tell one man say man and father me and father me not understand.
So you know.
So me,
I'm sorry, my brother.
No.
So you don't believe her?
No.
Let me tell you something.
No.
Me did there.
I ain't no phone me.
Me come round. Me come in your room and check and nobody not there. That's why me I sit there and say, me supposed to go back to my store shop and me not go.
No, nothing like that. Nothing happen like that.
No, me I tell you, me not here, me witness. Me can't go court. She have the 2 dry foot girl them behind her. And when me up, you see the same brown man that did up at the hill that she turned back and make him walk up with him. I him.
No.
I me hear him, I say, you can't done the money already. You can't done the money. Me just give you money yesterday. That can't done already.
No,
and
man.
then say yesterday. And then when me ask him, and then him ask them say, yes, you is my daddy. You is my daddy. Until me start put him in them and let him know what I go on. Then you little mouth him, I say, Miss Mouth Rat, turn around and say, no, you're not my father. That's a make. Your whoring girl box your daughter, so-called daughter, because she taught the truth.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe I have some planting into one now, you know. Feel like you are my daughter plan this because my woman would never ever in her entire lifetime think to do that to me. A star boy like me. One
You're
done
really idiot, you know, brother.
What?
You're really idiot, you know.
No, man, he don't do that, man.
You all see the man me I talk about.
No, man, he shouldn't do that.
No, so who him be? Me all ask him. Me ask him on the stars, you know, if him is her brother or her cousin. And him say, no, I'm her baby father. So me say, which picnic? And him point to the 2. Him point to the 2 of them. You are claim and said them is his.
All right, first thing tomorrow morning, I make she come down here and make she clarify everything right in front of you. Make sure you're right, sister. If you're not right, remember that I have the first preference over the house. You know? Me can put you out.
Put out what?
You know that I can put you out.
Put out what? Put out what?
I am the only son for my mother. My mother said, listen to me. It's when me pass, you forget everything because your sister woman can find a man and marry to and get land. You cannot find a woman and marry and get land. Because no woman now give up no land.
Try. Never mind that though, brother. I have no foolishness, may I tell you. She all I do it out of streets. Look into yourself and do the test. And that may I tell you. Do the test. Do the test and you see if me wrong. Make a hat, buy a hat, and me name it. You can put the salt and pepper on it.
All right.
But do the test here.
Tomorrow, Mexico.
All right.
Rest your nerves.
Rest your head.
Okay.
Hey, what a bam bam.
Yes, you me I look for. From morning me I look for you now for your yard. You. Yes, man. Yes.
So you look for me for now?
Me hear some man that own up my pit in them. So me want to know if a jacket me have mine.
Which whistling bird tell you that? Me can't understand.
My sister tell me last night. So he see you on the tall brown man and the brown man that own up the pit man and tell the brown man say look on them color and look on the 2 other color.
Jesus Christ, what a woman lie. She lie, and that's why she black say no. Lie poisoner.
So I lie my sister tell.
Lie poison body, that's why I'm black so I look.
I think say.
So which brown man for own up your picnic them now?
So she say.
All the time I tell her say them a Jackie car you brown and them black. So which other brown man for own them up now?
What a liar brute. Yeah. You have false memory
you
too.
up here from?
You have false memory to my girl. Like say you never did it.
Every time me and my baby daddy
brother, ask her who the tall brown skinny man was when me and you see that time. And she sent him where? And him same one.
Stop
and your 2 daughters them say him and them father. When him asks who are your daddy, them both point to him and say, but you are my father.
You sure? Stop walk and watch your brother. And that you fi do. Why everywhere your brother there, you up here? What happened? Where you walk and watch your brother?
He's my brother's keeper.
Let me ask you a question.
And him not there foreign, him not need suit and tie and jacket and coat.
Where you walk and watch him for?
Where you walk and cheap on him and give him closet
Are you me
for?
cheap on him with? Are you me cheap?
Oh, so she cheat.
Yeah, cheat.
Are you she cheat?
Yeah, cheat.
Okay.
You.
I don't mean come
But
you cheat. No, you just say you cheat.
I am man.
You're fool-fully.
You cheat
You
on me?
just...
With who? With our name, so?
I think no, maybe not cheat.
Where you take me for cheater?
No, say, you know, say, love, you feel me feeling it.
Oh, what is it? Yeah, you gone past Bobo the clown, you know. Yeah, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer now.
But,
All you need is a full red nose.
but she say you have to lie.
You're too good for me, cheap.
Okay, baby. Nice.
She a comfortable.
You swimming other men juices
Excuse me,
and
me
go
bill
on.
for that.
Go on with your suit. You can't go in the closet. Because when in the dark, have to come in at the light. Go on.
Come here. I want to talk to you. Look, you see when you see me woman? No, don't tell me say my cheat.
No!
You see when you see me-
Rudolph don't want to know.
You see when you see me woman? No, tell me say a jacket
Tell her,
to give
tell
me. Cause my two people them favor
Right.
you. They don't favor me. They favor
No,
you.
so that means...
They have a complexion. Says my youth them, right?
Yes, I feel him youth.
Then after who?
Okay.
Right. My youth, a 3 youth me get 2 different mother. She carry 2 for me and the other one carry 1.
Christmas, what a
I go
breeze.
see next one and two for you.
A 2, you know? I can't jacket
My
that.
2 them are for you.
Okay.
I can't jacket it.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny
I'll go
nose.
for you there. I'm going to put on something for
Then you
you.
don't know already.
And give one next one, you see me? Alright.
Girl, watch your see auntie do.
Hey, me see her.
Make piece of money to buy a dress.
Yeah. Auntie.
Hi.
Auntie, hello.
Hello. But nobody rush me with the auntie thing. Come here. Me not sure so me is your auntie.
I
What
mean
mean
to
by
cool
not
black
sure?
like you.
Lord, in the memory
We'll get
short
it
like
out
to
for
the mama.
you.
Me never did it when I own the tall, skinny man.
Me don't know about that.
Listen,
where you talk about.
listen. Black is beauty. Listen. You're not, my father not be black and mother not be black. You black, so we get the color off of you. Because you're our auntie.
You see when
You're in that family tradition.
my family tradition me know about. Me don't know about yours.
You know about food because we black like you.
So auntie, you
see when my
can't give me your money.
You see when my brother do a DNA, then you can say auntie. When you see me,
Suppose he do it
Misha.
and you sure say, suppose he do it and our father.
well then I will apologize when me wrong. Me not afraid for say me wrong.
Pioneer.
If I saw, because for years me I tell your father, I saw me forgot on my knees.
Okay, good. So you're not buy with you.
Why right you know me not have nothing.
You never had nothing.
And
yet.
that we say.
And when we father figure with money, you dey cost.
No, because food is life. We wouldn't have no problem to give no money for food. But right you know, on the auntie thing,
So auntie, where you going now?
me just tell you so he's up on auntie thing, yan.
Where
you
you
can call
go now?
me Miss Charmaine.
Where you going now?
No matter
All right,
to you.
auntie.
Me gone. I know say you ask for money and then
Me say please.
me gone. Me not none for you. Sorry.
Say, I saw black people.
What, my niece?
Oh, God, auntie.
You alright?
No, me not alright.
Oh God, what do you?
You want that juice? I can't buy me a juice. I'm thirsty, man.
Oh God, hush. You see, if you was doing juice money, I would have spent you. Me not have it right now. And down the road, me I go for hunt money.
Oh. So when you hunt, you still can't give me a juice for me?
Then I must.
Just want to make sure.
All them 2 steppers did see me earlier. And I asked me. I may never have it figure them.
Jaja.
So, may I try hunt it down.
Yeah, just go and hunt, man. You wait, maybe leave in there.
You good otherwise, though?
Yeah, we good.
Alright.
Alright.
Watch the road. When we get the money, me I go search you.
Yeah,
out.
no, me come look for you. You don't have to do
Me
nothing more.
know say you foot no shot there, so.
Right.
Alright, well,
Goodbye.
good.
Yeah.
Hello, Rudolph, my brother. You good?
Yeah, man, we are going inside.
Go inside which part?
Go work. Can't remember.
Go inside which part?
Go in the house.
I want one room
Of
of
your
here.
house?
We can't work in
Yes,
there.
my
Is it your
girl.
house?
Yes, my girl is me and my brother's house. Your name not depend on.
Well, me are going to for him.
If him did like it, him would have put a ring on it.
We are telling her that family must like it, but we just can't afford the ring now.
Okay.
No, him not put a ring pan. Well, you wear
We
ring
put on
on
this upon
finger,
it,
me wear it somewhere else.
We put on this on it, you know?
Eh,
To show a sign of love. So
to
if
go
you-
with the jacket and to go with the tie.
Why
Yeah,
you
man.
can't pick them jacket? You know, respect them.
Girl, you
woman
not
here somewhere
step
else.
foot in my family.
Somewhere,
What
hold
I
on
tell
there,
you,
hold on there.
confess.
Confess.
Confession.
You are God.
Confess.
You are God that me have to confess to you.
Tell my brother who for picnic them be?
Me not bow down to no
for
blackbird
picnic?
to come
Oh,
to you.
Confess.
Confess what? Are you God?
You're not going to me.
You are who?
I thought she
gonna
don't
be
get
out.
no
Jehovah
She
Jireh.
bad mind.
Woman, you try go on here.
She bad mind because she don't get
Me a
none.
master
You was a
key.
bad mind. That's how I look
Me
for.
a master key.
Babes, come on, man, go inside, go make it sun now. You don't know what I'm
Woman, me go
saying.
some way.
You know, see you bring the crosses with the weather.
Me go some way. Me go to my man house.
You know, see you, it was sunny and bright. Me all did have on the darkers. As me should have know, hear the thunder there. Real judgment.
Judgment. Right now, judgment. For
You
what?
know, going to my family yard, you know.
You know, say you look worse
Confess
than
now.
judgment. Confess
Rain
now
or
what?
fall. It has
I
wash
see him
where you
picnic
sin.
them.
Right now, me have crisis because
I must
me
say the DNA test you did though. You know do the DNA yet, brother?
Huh?
You know do the DNA.
Oh, DNA, you
Well,
man.
then something in a something.
You hear them
Something in a
something?
something.
And one day if you see that, me tell us to get this destruction out of your face.
Something in a something.
Go on.
Something in a something. Something in a something.
Me go in my man's house.
You know, come in my house and my family yard this year. I know dopey now go in there come here dopey conqueror.
Yeah,
Come
John
here
the
now.
conqueror.
Me a dopey conqueror. Come now. You bad now? Him and the sour one. Him and the Rudolph. And me and the dopey conqueror. Come in my family yard.
Babes, she serious.
Confess.
She serious, babes.
Confess.
Babes.
Tell her say me the mad one in the family.
Babes.
Me the mad one in the family. Me a juke out you.
What you do?
Come now.
What you do,
Come
babes?
now. Come now. You don't know me who you know.
Come.
Me a juke him to get to you. You know dirty girl. Confess, dirty girl. Confess. Cause you not give me no niece. You not give me no niece.
Why you hide back up
Them
in
not
front of
me
me?
know you. My brother can't come in him house. Them now bring no crosses in here. Yes, come out your business and confess your business too. Coming out to the rain, brother.
Why you do that?
You might be Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I know Christmas in me yet. But me no see Christmas yet.
You get a pum pum. You remember
Don't
that
take your
one
pum pum in the bush where it belong.
No, anything going in the bush no good
Well,
again.
them in the business. But you not disgrace my
You
mother
never know
and
what
father
you do there.
memory by bring that dead trash in here.
Your bad mind because me get picnic. I ain't not get none, right? Your bad mind because me have pum pum right too.
Me no want no pum pum.
No, because you know, no.
Me no want no pum pum.
You know, man. We stand up here. Enough time here around there with the toothbrush and the spray. Wait, the name. The dove roll out with the spray and the arm.
And they say your imagination gone.
Me around there work with it. So what wrong with me if me are the real thing? Me are the real thing.
Tell me, better you tell me say you're there with it for the fun, man. Me just say yes.
No, she give me two
better
picnic.
you say, me feel sorry for her, me take her up with her two picnic them. Me just say yes. Eh?
No, I
You
feel
got
the
them with family name. Eh?
No, me take her virginity.
You're really idiot.
I feel me tired to tell us that. Me I must know me one picnic them.
No, Rudolph.
I wish man, I go breed one woman and know what I'm breeding, man.
I'm make a deal with you. You hear the thunder? Me make a deal with you, my
All right,
brother.
make a
Me
deal.
not like the argument.
Make a deal.
Do a DNA. Hold on. Do the DNA test. You see? You see when it come back and say no, you have to apologize to me. You see when if we come
Where are now? Where are now?
No, me serious.
You think you funny? You think you funny?
No. if he come back and say, they belong to you, you don't know, so we can crush you already. Me make the hat. I'm going to yam it in front of you and you provide the salt and pepper. I'm going to go down on my knees and apologize. I'm going to tell you, you're two steppers, me will do the same. Just do it, my brother.
Can I tell you something? Mm-hmm. How much you doing there?
I don't know, it's your business, Dad.
About $60,000, right?
Mm-hmm. How much you spend on them already?
I can tell you something. A two picnic. That's 120,000. You know what me can do with 120,000? Them a big heart picnic. Me if you go to DNA now, and when me find out say I feel me picnic them, and when me spend upon them, me not get it back.
You don't know. You just see the consciousness. You just say when you find out, say I don't feel picnic them.
Any idiot man jacket. And when they reach 17, they go do DNA and then change their mind and them picnic. Better than just live with it until they're old and dead. So when you don't know, you no weak out.
Alright.
Warning go cook.
Alright.
You run in my pum pum, I have to go run it down now until we catch you back.
Alright. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Alright,
if you
Buffalo.
ever saw it.
Sister, yeah.
What's going on? Hello.
Go on away.
Hello.
Hello.
That's the same like you see right
Hello,
now.
Kena.
No. Look here. No.
Why when you say
see
you
road
always
right here,
around
so-
with so where your
Because
sister?
the only thing we no do is beg, and I don't got
Who
nothing
can
to
beg your
give.
I'm
money?
glad you know. From morning we a
Jesus, let me just say
walk.
one
I look smart if you beg money. Cause mommy nah no money.
Well, guess what? I walk and beg too. My papa and mama no have none either. So you see, anytime when you see them road, they will look like this. You just continue follow the road. You see, if you see me, you shake your hair and walk past. That's how I beg on for the cause. Every day I no come beg. Go beg on no papa give no more money more than how he give me money. Where they are take me have to take one money in order to get little money.
Who tell you that?
Oh, me know because
Remember you live with him, so you get
I
more
don't
money.
live with him. I live with my mama. When I live with no mother, I would there. I want to say about 15,000 in a 3 day. Me don't even get so much in a 1 month. That for sure, no. No say when you can do no. You can just content no look here. And you look here. You see next time you see me don't talk me about me for the money. Every time you see me that you know, things say me have money. I don't got no money. Right now my auntie me see and me beg her money and she say, and me tell her say me I can check her when she get money and she say, alright, me know me we are.
When you see her too and she say she nah no money.
She tell me she not no money, but she say when she get money, she give me.
Anyways, go on.
I go me did I go no where money.
But me I say no, you chat too much and you can't
But
get
that
no
mommy
money.
I tell too much lie, brother. She a got too much.
What kind of money we are do it for?
She should have just stayed on somebody, brother.
That's why we ever happy I go for you and I beg because you chat too much you make him man tap give you your money.
Oh. That's the say you are the fire in here. I say you are the fire in here. Why you have to use this so much?
Mommy, me explain. She a got to two somebody, mommy. That don't look right. She should even make we know say two somebody our father said that just tell we who our father and done, mommy.
Oh, so no, I want no father.
Yeah. Oh,
No
yeah,
papa
got
and
to
no
two
daddy.
somebody.
Hold on there. Anyway, when me come for say now, you see? That the man define now.
Mommy, give me your money now. You beg too much.
Listen, just sit down and listen to me. Me no want hear this. So zip it. Come on to me and talk to now, especially you. Can me see where you want to lead this thing to, you know. Anyway, you notice say the man stop going to money because he find out say man no father. Right?
Because of you.
Because of you and your mouth. You use it too much. And you see? I hit cause all of them lack off there. No. What kind of thing that me I hear sound of the pan road I walk and I beg?
Our auntie, our sister, we are beg, we not beg nobody else. And that's what auntie or sister will
But
ask.
no matter how it is,
Okay.
hold on your own. Stop the begging. That no good for girl child.
We know next time, mommy.
You know a girl pitney, you know can't walk and a beg. I want no family. Especially the little girl there. I know no sister, I know papa I pitney
I
that.
true, cause here tell someone we start to walk straight and look like when I say I like we eye and walk.
Okay. So when you no see him, when you no see him.
And here when auntie go tell we say no she not have money. Auntie tell she tell when she have money she will
Make
come
she
to
stay cockroach full up on the fear bed like our me no know. She a one of them herself. So anytime you see her, just avoid her. Me never say if you go ill manners to her, you know.
Yeah.
Just avoid her. Make she talk what she want to talk, but all me I tell you no, stop, walk and beg. Because you might go beg the wrong person.
Then beg go back.
Okay. Right. So everything alright though.
Yes.
You know. Yeah, I'm right, but you see you, me not understand you. You come like your papa. Love use him mouth. Me love him, but he love use him mouth. Yeah. That's why sometimes someone no pick me best parents just keep things inside of them and not tell you nothing. You always have a good one and you always have a bad one. So anyway, me I go on the road. Wanna take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And make sure son don't have no little boyfriend, you know.
No, man.
No, man.
You know better make sure the child hold up on the head there. So the auntie they wanna have. She already wash her mouth and me not able to hold up on the head.
Alright.
Take care of herself and try not come out and go up on the road.
Yes, mommy.
No do that.
What?
You just not
You
no
have a on the
manners.
road?
No.
Why?
My God. What is it?
You want me there look fine, you will come.
Relax.
Well, if your last time that you know your phone.
So what?
You don't know silver yard me I come from.
Mm-hmm.
With them pitney them.
Mm-hmm.
Your pitney them to stop walk and beg.
No, me can't be. Me not that's not my blood. Me no walk and beg. That's a want to win me. Me no walk and beg.
So what you want to say? A jacket then be? You want to tell me now say a jacket?
How me because me want pick the
So where you
jacket?
go come jump up and tell me about you know in my blood then me no walk and beg? Eh?
Come me no walk and beg. Probably you used to walk and beg, so then you know then.
When you define me, I want me to walk and beg you?
No.
No, you come over there, come beg me summer.
You say me dey ask if you want to happen, and you say yeah, sure. Then
Oh, so me did beg you. No, you beg me something. I'm so kind, me give it to you.
Okay, if you don't do that, man, don't do that.
Oh, so to you want to pick my apple, you give me apple.
Yeah,
Hey, glory, glory, hallelujah. Some people get jacket and suit before time. Glory, glory, hallelujah. The truth shall come out soon.
we have talk about.
A full suit thing get you know get jackets.
Fish, bit by bit shall confess.
Yeah.
You alright, my brother?
I feel him pitney them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like picking them in and see them favor you must tell me.
No, put them the pity for me. We know them innocent.
You know,
Them are the innocent ones.
Me not listen to my sister, cause me know say you now have no time for give me no jacket, cause if me did get jacket you'd have fat.
I wish for mother.
You don't see how they favor him.
You
You don't see how them black and favor him.
Uh-uh.
And favor them.
So every black people in the universe favor me. Whoa, that's our family, big brother.
Come baby, yeah. Me like my engagement.
Oh, hey, glory.
That's what we can afford on elastic, you know? Nice.
Elastic, at least she get elastic from the finger. Cause she not have elastic nowhere else. Oh,
We
Lord.
all get married and get the son now.
You can't walk and stop chatting about it. That's all they do.
So who gonna be your best man? The tall, skinny, maga man that is the real father. Am I gonna be your best man?
No, my friend not go there, sir.
We tell you, no.
Oh.
We tell us to get her out of my life.
We know you not go there, you know time.
Send her.
No, I'm not married. You want marry. You want me out of your life, but you want married in my family.
Because by a pity them, they know, so them not safe. You want to call child scare?
What happened with
You want to call child scare, promise?
Flash the ring now.
Eh?
How you want married in my family?
Yeah, my
Flash the
show the
ring.
crowd.
Flash the elastic.
My man I got married
Flash
to
the
me.
elastic.
Let's say a bad man.
Me no bad mind you this, brother. Me no bad mind you this.
Me say put
Cause
him
me
out
confident
and
say.
take me in because
Me
me
confident
say,
say.
over there, the piece
I
of window
feel.
board, me have to board up because it didn't tap go to way. And you see anytime they call child scare upon me over there, you're not gonna like it either.
Oh, so like mother
The
like
only
daughters.
two people where you have in your life, I go approve school. Take
Okay.
it from me.
Where school live?
I said prove school, juvenile.
Sir, tweeting them I got juvenile. Okay.
What's the matter? My children them time with it.
are you
Oh man,
know
you're
what?
full till you
Put him
full
out
no
and
more.
take me in.
Me want know how you gonna put out. You have title lady. You have anything there, paperwork and title.
Nail up film part of you hear? Nail up film part of Cub and get me in a few half.
And while you nail cub, nail fair cub too.
Which one I cook?
Inca, you're gonna get you're gonna get football team. And a football team you are. You're gonna get football team.
And netball team.
Yes, man.
2 girls on the team.
Oh, yes. You have 2 girls on the team already. The Steppers team of
I
Jamaica.
forgot to tell you. Right now, me pregnant.
Hi! Who
You're pregnant?
If me pregnant,
Oh God!
right?
Oh, Lord.
Is he my Superman?
It's a boy.
Hey!
You see
Hey,
that?
hey!
Hey,
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
That's what
had a very shiny nose. And what? Me proud of you, my brother.
him.
Me proud of you. Santa Claus not have no problem with transport this year.
Come here.
Go clean out the
Why? Hold on, I'm talking to my brother. I'm talking to my brother. Little girl, how you do? How you do? How you do? Eh? How you do? You don't know me who, you know? You don't know me who? Eh? You don't know me who? You don't know me who, you know, girl? Hey, if you didn't know, so you're afraid. But I juke you. But I juke out your belly in a girl. But I juke out your belly in a girl. Move the brother. Move the brother. I want me to your brain, you know. Move now. Move now. Which baby? You're really idiot. Let me show you the DNA. Let me show you the DNA. Let me show you the DNA. Come now. Come now. Brother, tell your mattress who me be.
I told me that I moved today.
Look fight. No man.
Me juke out your belly in a girl.
You say if me lose my baby, you're not like it. You're not like it.
Sorry.
Me woman losing baby.
What?
No nail up your part of place in the picture.
Try. Safe. Safe.
Me put black through the
Safe, Rudolph.
part of.
Safe, Rudolph.
You can't look at mine. Look at chugga.
Oh, put hand on who first? My mother and father grow me
She
say.
never lick you.
She take up thing and lick me.
She never take up no.
You're blind and fool.
She does the run and the exercise.
Eh? So the buckle never touch me.
Which
You're lucky. You're lucky me not my good shoes now.
And you me see a kick her up and a thump her down.
Oh, come to
and
me
a thump
first. She come like say she want ride sleigh. And you are the reindeer. Me no reindeer. So me I take with myself.
Stop it, man.
Rudolph, me I take with myself. Cause Christmas soon come.
Time, what I tell you?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Hey. You know, come on, we go for the work. Yeah, girl, come. Road we are go. Mommy can't tell you nothing.
Enough, you know what?
But watch ya, not tip it that.
The so-called father.
Which one?
What about
That
stepfather?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So me turn stepfather now.
you were never our father.
You never did father come black on you,
Look
bro.
on your skin color.
Who are the father?
Bro, Papa our
Papa,
father. I told mommy they want the money for we and him. So he tell us if we call it daddy, so daddy will call him now we are stepfather.
Yeah.
So, wanna really come about?
Who come for beg your money, please?
Me look like an upper.
No.
No
Where
matter.
party?
But you see the woman so we ask
Listen,
if we can give you
step
money.
Daddy.
Me nah mind no jacket nor no step. Let me tell you that. Find no father. I don't come to me about any more money. Oh, no matter one piece of wicked, I see. Oh, no matter wicked, so.
Ah, you never have no sense. Cause look pan for your skin color and look pan for your skin color. Yeah, idiot.
So hold on there. I want to go on here, so. What's going on here, sir?
So what for you going?
Oh, so true, you find out so them are not for you. So you don't get I look them.
No, mommy, no,
So
no.
what this tight conversation all about?
He not look we.
No, but this not look right.
Where you get that from?
What you don't talk about? What you don't talk about? Cause young boy, I know them oh, you see up here, so? No steady. And they love young girl. So,
I don't know like
what
that.
you don't talk about?
Mommy is not nothing
Tell
like
your
that.
pa-
Pass, now we see him.
Alright, I want drinks, mommy, we are begging. Come remember I used to with daddy, you know.
And this one.
Mommy!
Let me tell you what I want to say. No, I know that. Go and chat. Come back out here down we know. But you not grumble. No must see a dog. You see all you?
See all me with what?
You see all you?
What me do?
You know say he's a pervert. You know say if me didn't know say he's a pervert, me would have bother with you.
No come tell no call them the lie upon me or tell them lie upon me. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
You know say if he wasn't a good man to me, with a call down a station right now. Because me can't understand what you're there started with my two teenage daughters.
Them come and ask me for money.
So true, you find out say them are not your pitney anymore. Them are yeah them stepfather. So you feel free with them.
But and that me say me say everything when I walk home.
If you know better, you go brush your little sour mouth. You don't know if it talks out of your mouth.
If you feel better, you go come out and look at
You don't know if it talks out of your mouth.
You don't know what to say out of your mouth.
Look a girl.
Big woman.
Go on about your business. Go on about your business because you see you.
We have just realized him are the man. I'm the man where the man talk about.
You see if I never
Look
one
here.
thing.
What you gonna do with that?
You see that piece of big board there? I would
I
have let it go across your back. You'd have no.
Touch me knees, make me one knee.
Jesus Christ.
Touch me one knees, make me see. Do you know? Touch me knees, make me see. I want to see the day you touch any member of my family.
I wonder if I go see me I see again in my eyesight.
Touch her, make me see. Touch her, we see who are the goats and who are the duppy and who are the duppy conqueror.
You see?
Touch me knees.
I can't bother with the problem. So you see? I would just lick out all 6 of your tooth. You feed them out of your head. You'd have no.
Are you?
Why you always appear yourself?
Pick up stick from my knees.
Everywhere you see me, you appear.
Me see him and he pitney them right so and him a beat him pitney them over this man.
Hey!
Me see
I'm
it.
over the real papa. Hey! You know,
Me
see,
see
he's
it.
the only child though.
Yeah, me no business. I don't.
Oh, you must be a one that's a Ushi, don't?
No chatting with me because they are blame me for wrongs. Me no chatting with her.
She full
Chat
of
with
wrongs.
them.
She full of wrongs.
Right
No,
now.
Tyria, no, you are one next one. You are destruction. You go and where you go? You know.
What you need?
Where you come and fast on my business for?
Me not fast in your business. Me not fast.
You look like me I run shop.
Business.
You look like me I run supermarket.
Yes.
Huh? You look like me I run bar.
One mini mart, anything. You sell everything. You give everything.
No, me ever sell you nothing.
Like, yeah, me no want nothing for your place. If I'm never tell some ready for meet Jesus.
You whole around no bad mind me for me man, Papa. The whole around no bad mind me for me man, Papa. But baby love, I'm pregnant again.
I don't
Does it hurt?
business. No, it not hurt me because guess what? He have a jacket and a suit already, so add that at the tie. Complete the
No,
suit.
when it all come down, you are gonna be the jacket.
I don't mind. I don't
When it all come down to the gravy, you are gonna be the jacket.
You know the only reason why you there is because when your parents didn't have sex, the condom never go there. That's why they sweet condom factory. That's why you reach your say no.
So what you want to say? Me a mistake? What you want to say? Me is a mistake?
You
And you are what?
so. You should have there so. I didn't do it there. You ever try to come rank up and face with people.
And true, you papa love walk and put where enough you put where enough you go. And that's why you there.
It's because
by mistake too.
No, I wasn't
so
here by mistake.
You take one mistake to know one.
My niece was well planned.
Right, them never
and
used
well
no
loved and
condom.
well wanted.
Right.
Let me just go on.
niece is well wanted.
Why they cuss to the people them daughter?
A jacket that, me know that.
So how you know say a jacket?
That a jacket. My pitney them have a papa, that a jacket.
So I don't feel me again. I don't feel me them again.
No. Yeah, then stepfather now.
Oh. Alright, since me are then stepfather, can take time going me and go. Look come on, have a nice night.
You go on, your maga like. I should have suck you out dry and left you with nothing. You're lucky say you find out say them are not for you.
Boy. You know, some mommy shouldn't lick with so do her too. I know what I'm at. Lick way give me. Yeah, you lick me if you feel me dead.
I love how you deal with our man. Aye, and our chest will get too high. Hold on, Denise. Well, all right?
Yeah.
But want invite you. Let me just do this a minute. At this me want. Right. Next week, I want to invite everybody for dinner. All your mother too.
When it gets so nice.
Well, because next week everything in the dark will come in the light. So all on it, next week Wednesday. So tell your mother. So next week Wednesday night, about 7 o'clock or so, everybody for come. How in the dark must come in the light.
Amen.
You know agree?
Right.
Aye. All you two.
Wait, so you pop out me just for when you do it when me I go have to brush up on.
You know, sister, this a house here. We can't do nothing with this. Me want no say. My Lord help me and me can do DNA tests and put my brother's mind at ease. Me not have a real question with you, but fear is fear. Right. Now do that for my brother.
Yeah.
All right. So everybody, Wednesday, 7 o'clock.
All right.
Hey girl, so when you think we can book a nice little apartment? When you think we can book a nice little apartment and get to hear something done and fix up ourselves? A long time we don't do that, you know.
A long time, we don't do it for true.
Yeah, girl.
Long time, we need to do it for we stop taking it up ourselves. We need to start up back.
Yes. We gotta get flop forward.
You just say fear your father, him stress out.
Girl, I don't really business, cause you know why? I want to take up stress pan for my head. Not just one never send him to walk around and fling you look something everywhere. Everywhere. Yeah, if you go over there, see John. If you go over there, see little John. If you go over there, see Big John. If you go over there, see small John.
Well, you have it rough.
No, me don't have it rough.
Cause then they put it away in my mind. Him not even sure if I feel them.
Well, I feel good luck that he forget. He will must learn a lesson after whatsoever. Because you know what to girl. Yeah, every day and
so
he give them
your man me a come.
Sure no say them the pitney they are not fit him and me alone a fit him.
Hey, listen, later.
And me alone.
Me see little jacket on one Stephen when. Me call her back.
Humpty Dumpty lucky.
Yeah, you jacket. Let me ask you one question. Where your auntie pluck out my pity them ear gone do with it?
I'm sorry for me then.
And that me would have really like to know where she pluck up my pitney them ear gone with it because I look like me. Listen, me no want nobody come mad me pitney them, you know.
You know, say look big and
Cause you auntie look like a damn movie walker.
Big woman. You're a big woman. You're a big woman. You're up in the age now. When me can leave young people alone.
Come out, tell me glad is coming in attack to you. No, you, jacket.
Humpty, me dey think you're big enough for
Why you not come out of it? Because you see too. You feel as a big woman.
Hi, hello, bye. Come out of this.
You're a big woman.
Talk to me now. Talk to me now, jacket. What you say?
Big people are big people and young girl are young girl. Leave the little girl alone. Because you see them like penny there. Where you care, gangy father. Me not even sure if I feel him pitney. Because
well, you want to be sure if I feel him or feel him not.
Then the pitney.
I feel him. You know how much
man go up the road.
Girl, let me tell you something. Lock off, sign off.
What wrong? If your mother text somebody pitney there here, you know what I'm gonna take you do with it?
Come and say which other?
Come and
you
say
why in Jesus' name would you can't use here to that?
It because
for me too. I mean,
I feel difficult.
No, me
I
don't say me
feel
a shift
difficult. I feel difficult. Not for me them. Not for me them. You know, say hello, for your information, you know much man out there with that one pitney, eh?
What?
So tell me now, if one next man even
that's why I
get them.
Fear two dry head pan the one look man will get one pitney. He can't even buy pitney one bun and cheese or one new pair of slipper.
That's a straight jacket. This here way also a straight jacket.
Oh man,
my pitney them me my baby daddy.
Me are the whole sort of fear two little black ugly stuff
and then again I father don't really have no sense.
Making
to copy it.
I never yet sleep with another man. And that the man they take me maiden and I inbreed me.
You too big and lie.
Inbreed me and I him take me maiden.
You big and lie.
What is that?
What is that? If you did have for you, we don't know.
Girl, the duku. The Bombay.
So you don't have for you. Right now you don't have for you.
Oh, you know, me never have for more than one.
You see me, I tell you what is this? How him know say that? How you know say that?
Me there, me go to school. Them teach about them there. Unlike you, we don't dull like that.
I forgot to tell you that this is a big whore.
Say that go and go tell him. And then me go up there and tell him, say, two pitney them way have up there is a big large jacket. Not even jacket,
you know say
a raincoat.
What you know about jacket?
Look on me papa.
What you know about jacket?
Never had never color.
Girl,
the pitney them have close together.
Jacket is black and the pitney them is black.
Don't you roll it go.
No, I say.
Take your hand from me and move from me. So me a deal with you. Me not dealing with you.
Stop touch him.
Me talking to the jacket over there, so.
Me there, I your winter coat them. If me a jacket, I feel pitney them a winter coat and raincoat.
Jacket is black and they are black. So you call them jacket. You see all you little girl? Go look for your maid anyway you dash where you're nasty like.
Forgot tough.
Oh. For you too. Body up there. Oi.
I don't want to have nothing to do there. No,
so why you don't want to have nothing to deal with me now? And what happened?
You're one person. You're all over the place. You just have to pick them all over, scatter out.
Oh, so me a come and fall now?
Me see them down.
Am I a come and fall now?
Yes, sir. Everywhere me go, me see them.
Me a fear walk up and down with them because sometimes you never give them no money. Me hungry and them hungry.
Most of the time, me see them by themselves, I beg. You cannot have the two girls picking them all over the place, I beg. Man, we beg them back too.
Discipline them about that already and
they still do it.
Oh, so every day me go beat them. So what you do every day?
I'm a man.
A mother and a father.
I have to work.
The kids them need a father just as well as they need a mother.
Listen to me. As the father, if me did dead, how you them, what you call it, cooperate?
You see, all stone and I dead gonna wear one thing I dead for you.
Okay. So you plan to bury this?
That very long time. Anyway, what me I say? You see like a jacket that you have up there, sir? want her for me, you see? She just give me a fine piece of chasing. She and her friend. She chase me, not, hey, I beat them, want to beat me.
Cause of who?
How you pitney them a jacket? Yeah, you pitney them a jacket.
No, my daughter now saying sister them a jacket.
You see all that sister the way you have there? You saw she ugly?
What she do?
And that's why she can't breathe. Every day she walk up and down and talk about some pitney them a jacket. Where she pluck out me pitney them ear for? You think them a come and fall? Where she hold them and a pluck out them ear for?
Nothing wrong with that second two standard here.
You see ugly face? Both him a Rasta? Young glass scandalized Rasta.
More,
A disgrace Rasta. Cause one day me go over the go see she a cook pork.
Then one on there. Anybody where you see go on like them a Rasta, go real Rasta them. Some of them are hide and yam.
I'm glad you know.
My sister not hide and yam pork. Me see my sister sit down and yam pork right in front of me. What wrong with that? No
Jesus
meat.
Christ, what a disgrace to
You
Rasta
better not-
society. Eh?
Hello. Are the art if you worry about?
The heart they don't clean. You want to take out and wash and bleach and Dettol and everything.
Once the art clean, you can't eat anything.
That the heart they not clean.
My sister do the
That
right
the
thing.
heart they want to take out, wash with bleach,
Hello.
Dettol, disinfectant,
concerned about right now?
and it need Christ in it because she don't have no God in her.
If my two girl picking at them, way out on the road, my two girl picking at them way out on the road, I beg. That is my concern right now. Because when you beg man money, you know, man I go beg you back, you know. You could have go beg them 5 times. If they don't beg you 2 or 3 times, I'm going to beg you the 5th time.
Every time I see you, you forgive me some money, you draw me out with chatting. Oh, you full of mouth, so?
So I beg you, don't beg. Take your time, go.
No, me not beg. You're supposed to give me when you see me. Every time you see me, you just give me.
When you can control the 2 young ones them and make them top beg, then they will get...
No, why you don't? Why? You see? That's how I know you not work with me, no?
You see why
You not work with
you
me.
see why I left you?
Why you left me?
Because you don't have no
You
motherly...
can't left me. Under this sun, you can't left me.
You don't have no motherly... You go on, I don't bite up my tongue. Go on. You
You
don't
not
have
no parental guidance.
You don't have no motherlyhood.
Look here.
Go on, where you go.
Are you have the hood? I never me. When last
You
time
don't
you took I
have
never
no
me.
motherly pum-pum. Go on, where
Hey.
you go. Control the 2
You go
girls.
on where I go, 'cause every time you see me, go control your jacket. 'Cause every time she see me, she want to come jump down. But I'm not even afraid of you. You're ugly like. Go on the pro, go control the jacket.
You're lucky, yeah? Oh.
Mr. Girl, hey, one thing though, I'm glad to me I have been chabati cause you know, some of don't grab that woman the long time though, but it's just that we cannot grab her cause I'm a so-called stepmama.
Yes, Kena. And you me come out. Praising Jah
Thank you
Rastafari.
much, no turn back.
Good afternoon, God. Yes, God. Father God, forgive us. That a code. You me come out.
See what?
Why you disrespect your stepmother? Why you do that? Your sister mother. Why you do that?
Me dear, you did ask me why me do it? You did ask?
How you call me dear?
You did ask me?
Who you call me dear?
Look here, say that you
look one guy
look
belly
here,
friend
is
where I
it
nyam you
that you
out.
take it or
You
you
say for
leave it?
she where I nyam you out. Your pop style as this me. You want father will work hard to mind you. Make you have hairstyle.
Where?
Eh?
Me think you fi shut up. Me think you fi tapping us. Stop
Hello.
embarrass yourself.
Mommy, you come here and see me. Where you see me for? Why you?
The one you fi top broke up my pitney.
Me not work out of
Because
school.
that since she in your company, she chat to me so.
I
I'm will hold you and thump you in front of her. You hear that?
Try no? Try.
Me one boy, me a ramp with my pitney, yeah?
So you're pitney and me you're pitney and
Me
you
chat to you.
you're pitney.
Why you are cut off a woman like that?
You
Ain't come here.
Cause for your pitney.
Ain't come here. He never say a good morning or nothing, good evening or nothing, good afternoon. He don't say none of that. He never say how you doing. He never ask for you or nothing. You know what she come here and say? Oi, me finally find the little jacket where me did a walk and I look for. And I think come here
Let
and
me ask
say.
you a question. Your jacket?
And that she said, that's why
Why
I
you make
answer
that offend
her.
you?
Me don't make it offend me. She come here and I go and like say, she can come here and I try disrespect me. I mean, I go sit down and make nobody
Me
do
go
that
say-
to
me can say
me.
something to you.
Oh, chat.
They always say, if you want good thing happen, You know what I have to run, right?
Well, this one was a run enough.
You see, she not gonna bring you far in her life.
Stop blame me,
You
Pitney.
never bring her far in her life.
Because you rather man it two ugly raincoat them or winter coat them where you have up there than forgive me things. Remember, remember all the time there when we did it and you give them $15,000 every 3 days and you look for me and I come give me 3 bills and for me never ask you for nothing for so long.
Why me give 3 bills?
Me don't want to know why.
I give your mother the same amount of money, you know. I only give you 3 bills to buy ice cream, you know.
You never give me no 3 bills to buy ice cream. Shut your mouth. Me think if it happen nice. Me think if it happen embarrass yourself.
You need to stay to my daughter company.
You know go.
Because you see, girl like you will make me daughter belly.
You don't have it yet. Remember, what take him so long to have it?
Me don't know if it's a process.
Yes, me.
Because you have to show sign.
You see no symptoms with her.
Me don't know if it's chopping on.
What me I use chop it down?
Oh,
What did I chop down?
You're lucky. Anyway.
Go worry about the raincoat them up here.
Look.
Me alone.
Look on the type of friend we are parent. Friend having lighter in their waist.
Wait.
Like them a smoke.
Wait.
Nobody hide it. Me don't see the lighter right here, so.
Wait, you see lighter? You see me have lighter? You see me have lighter? You know, say I'm wicked and liar. The better you go on. Girl, me a go down on me head, you know.
Yeah, can
Because
go.
me can't manage your father.
Me so come. You know what they say? Oh, me chat to you.
Why you yard and make sure
I'm
you say
going.
next week you go down on my sister. Come down there.
She tell me already.
Okay, she have big gift
We
for
know.
all away and you must buy with juice and everything.
Me
and
know.
make sure you did it.
Yes, me know. I'm going to be there. Because you know what? My man tell me say she gonna do something very iconic because she take my hair and she take it to look wrap them
So
hair.
okay. So she did right then.
Me don't know. Him bigger lie.
I mean the course anyway, come on very good.
I'm not ready yet.
What me say for you? What me say for you? What me say for you?
Why one day I go come on I go slide and spread out, you know. What you go do with that?
Come off of the road. You always tell me not be a father. Come off of the road.
Be a father when you start give me money. When you start take care of me and send me money and everything, then you can be a father and hate me and stuff. But for now, me think if you put that on pause. Me think if you put that on hold. So if you know what Jesus know and what me know, you go, yeah, you can walk with it, but me did that say fling you away and continue walk.
You know why me not lick you? Because the government are very stupid. The government are very fool. Them are idiot. Finna give me the right to open up.
Call government and tell government. That's what you tell me for. I didn't me regulate law.
You see, and the government must be island, you know. When they say we can't lick, you know, because we go to prison, on use the advantage of bad.
Most, no?
I'm going to have man, and that mash up the country and have belly, because we can't lick, you know.
I put that in my head now, because I think about that. I parents sometimes I put idea in a pitney head. Because sometimes poor pitney them never think about it. Every day I come here, oh, you do this, you do that. So that push them to go do it. Yeah, so me thinking if you tap in eyes and continue going about your business, you know.
Well, for once you're right.
I'm always right. How do you? Go about your business.
You're lucky.
If you're
Everything you look for out there, you get it.
me not getting nothing.
Yes, hallelujah. What is in the law? Have to come in at the life. Go on, shake what the good Lord give you. Hey!
The Lord gave me nothing.
He give you everything in your life.
Yeah, that's a life. Why you come over here so early?
Okay. Because you have to come watch the whole of the thing.
Oh.
Hello, my sister-in-law. Hello, my nieces. You no good?
Evening, sister.
Evening.
Me don't know what's so happy about you, you know, but
Oh no,
you
everything good.
Me don't know what they good for.
Oh, it's going to be a blessed evening. My sister-in-law, sit high. You don't want juice?
Because me don't know all of a sudden you don't want me at your yard. I know you want me at your yard. Yes, me with a drink, but do I hope you not true.
See everything will work out. My brother. Nice family get together.
Like that. My sister buy all of them, yeah?
How the dance go?
I'm proud of her. It's a fair, right?
Thank you, brother.
Yeah,
No.
your favorite, you know, say look, axe, yeah. Okay, so I think this is mine, but we're not really ready for it now because we want to hear the good news and my sister.
You want to hear the good news?
Yes.
Everybody bust them
Cause
drink.
when we
Everybody
see-
have them drink for say cheers for the good news.
Because when we see you buy do DNA and then sit here, so we have to cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
They're the poor different.
One big family. One big
We can
family.
open it and say with cheers.
Listen.
Huh?
No, we can cheers
Hurry
first.
up,
Cheers.
come on, the fire yard. I don't understand why she called me so early. I walk on
When is my sister spend so much money? You know?
Cause me can't understand this.
I saw you run from good news. All right.
Just set me up.
No, I would never do that.
So
Oh
you
my
just
God,
set me
see?
up.
I would never do that to my sister-in-law.
No, me ain't.
Hold on. All right,
I
we
went
never-
since.
All right, hold on.
since.
I'm going to show you him.
I went since.
I'm going to show you
What do
him.
you know?
Hold on.
My daughters, them, they are one big happy family. I like that. One big happy family.
One big happy family.
Oh, this big old dirty thinking brown envelope. No. I could have what?
Huh?
This is adult news, woman to woman news.
Oh.
So you see,
Include me. Me know, woman.
Me drink water, my throat
my
dry.
sister-in-law. Yes, man, drink your water, drink your water. Drink your water, sweet. You can, this is to do with you, my sister-in-law. Can read it out there, please, and thanks.
Oh, God. Me like this one big happy family.
Me love
So
it,
you
my
can't live
brother.
there.
Yes.
You can't live there.
Because what is in the dark have to come in the light.
You do use that?
Me do it, brother. Me do it for you because me not
Yeah,
want
the
the
sister,
bag of fight.
she away your picnic now.
Me know, man.
You all right, my sister-in-law?
Oh, what do you?
You all right?
What do you?
You all right, my sister-in-law?
Yes, what do you?
You good there?
Yeah.
Cough it up, baby. Don't pay rent.
So why my auntie buy me just say I drink it?
Oh, hush.
See there?
Mm-hmm.
Negative.
You see that? Negative.
One big family.
Negative.
One big family.
It does say 0.000%.
It said
What it said?
99.9 negative. It's yours.
Negative.
So, mommy,
Yeah.
mommy, which one are we done? Come in, woman, are done.
No, shut your mouth.
But
Negative.
it's
Listen.
supposed to be
Oh, no, love chat, so.
99.9 positive.
Tell him, my niece.
No, when you do HIV
I'm
test.
positive. What's HIV in a DNA test? What do your ears?
Oh, yeah, jumping now.
Allow my niece.
Lady.
Allow my niece.
Where you
My
jumping?
blood.
Baby daddy throat
I'm a
back.
blood this.
No.
You know what that mean?
Huh?
You know what that mean?
When
Them one know
Hold
your
on.
name.
Make sure
That
you know
them
that little girl. Tell them what it means.
We're not your daughter.
that mean? That means I was not your
So when we do HIV test, it's a negative.
If I did
This
positive now,
DNA test, my brother. You wouldn't believe me no other
Alright,
way.
wait there. If you do HIV test and they say you're negative, that means that you're not having it.
Ah.
If it's a 99.9% negative, that means that you're never having it too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
So them are not fear.
No, the man not for we. Me tired of the arguments and the fighting and the cussing, brother. I'm
not
tired
tired
of you
of
clown yourself. Yes, brother.
Get up.
Hey,
Get up.
hey, ho, heave, ho, heave, heave.
What do you mean?
Heave.
Box him,
Heave. Box him, box him, box him.
Wake him up. Why you
Box
run
him.
back? Jesus, what?
Then I want it in me. I can't get it out of me yard. You see? The truth hurts.
What we call it?
I feel sorry for you.
My mother did not go swap. Let go, girl. Blame it on your mummer. You see your mummer right here picking her? You blame it on your mummer. Your mummer is the one that gives you a jacketer. So
Me
excuse
feel
them.
sorry to be. God's easy upon them. It's not their fault. Them never asked for none of this.
Right.
Them is the innocent one
So
in the
who are we
this.
So we're not gonna go she.
It better be far up.
you need to wake up and
It
go
better
tell
take
we
her
are
home.
our
She not Tanya.
I don't know how to manage this a big infant still.
You have to go roll it.
Take him up.
Roll, drop. Roll, JJ, roll. Come on, Popeye. Line got left far.
Jesus Christ.
And I forgot phone on a real father. I forgot lift.
We don't know a real father. How you
No, the tall Maga man. I forgot phone police
I
do some
forgot
cough.
to final film because I wouldn't make him dead.
But she not dead. We feel pulse.
Look here, no haul him up.
Take him up. No, I feel mama. Haul him up. Hold him up.
Alright, help me take him up.
Roll, JJ, roll. Roll 69 there.
Enough for my mama.
Enough for me.
Well, listen.
Roll 69. Oh, Popeye, run gone. Caca fart.
Who name Peter?
Peter, night bus driver. We run the school bus.
So what kind of text am I yarning a text?
What?
So you're in love with somebody now?
No, my friend borrow my phone and name Pinky.
Yes, man. James going to come in. When we can. Jesus, somebody dead.
Daddy have to make porridge.
Somebody dead.
Nobody not dead, Daddy. Nobody not dead. Daddy, nobody not dead.
What do you mean, babe? You know, just. Oh, we are going with sister. Oh,
sit down. Turn around.
No! Like money that you can't count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want it in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, you want me get the lick in Spanish? You want get. When would I want your money? So what you like doing for?
I want my money, Papa.
Me tell me don't have your money. Listen.
Papa, where you carry my shape in my house? How you come to do? You have to take me 100 and you come to come warn me?
Man! I want my flash shape on.
Look
Flash me, yeah.
Look funny. I come to another get there, you know.
So what you cut it?
Flash it,
Done.
girl. Appear it. Why? No!
Move on.
No, me not move. Girl, what this girl? Girl, no! What?
Hey! God! Shanice! Is breathing? No, sir. Chew up. Feel bad. So you dey hide and do it. Tell us, me sorry. Me no, you know want to hear where they go on here so. Right here so, pick me in a disability. Me send it to school and she a breed.
A breed?
Trish, the bomba, good girl, come out. Jesus Christ. Body your hand. Mama, when you come get auntie a hug, man. How you do?
Why you socks in your hands?
I fight me.
Why the uniform tear up so?
I fight at school and the girl pop up me uniform. You beat her? Yeah. Boss it.
Where you telling about boss it?
Bossy,
Where you
touch
telling about boss it?
Yes.
I boss your box.
We are.
Why purple say that?
I know I said, me and my friend, I want to get rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Which is a must.
I mean, you say you're good. That's what the chem boy, you see me? Yeah.
Rich is a must.
Yeah, so what me have to do?
Me good enough, man. You know,
Me and my
question
friend.
me. Wait.
You can't deal with it and make me get
Mama,
rich.
no. You hear what go happen, Mama? Rich. You know what is rich?
Mama, you know what is
Kindness.
Obia.
I know,
Obia.
Obia. We have to go sacrifice somebody.
See
Maybe.
your thing.
I don't know, now we go get it.
How you know that?
Mama, we just know say we are go rich.
Listen to me. I'm telling you this today, it's like we're not getting on the head. By the hook or by the crook, before the ear fit done, what we must be what?
Rich.
You will spin your roll.
For what? How about that?
Yeah.
What is that? What's that?
What
kind of dog this, yeah?
for?
Hello. Hello, make me talk. I come like when you come waste time, you know. Me come about money, me want to get rich.
Rich. Sure, I know I get rich.
Me don't know about them, I know about me. Rich, me want to get rich.
Nobody say nothing. Pick like in the liquor, shoes, or food.
Anything. Thank you.
So long they take to come back.
No, them not come back and they can't get my niece before me. I mean, they can't come. So come back.
Alright.
See me.
We are telling me
See me carry girl come. Mr. Me carry non-virgin. God, hubby man, you get a virgin.
I daughter to behind people back.
They
hear wait. They hear audio.
Good.
Where is it? What she idiot?
Nothing happen. Me pray.
Why? Jesus, wait. Wait.
Me can't move here. Why? Hey. What?
God, me brother.
I'm if you move. Me foot. Come here.
Jesus, I need you now.
Little girl, stop it.
Jesus.
Stop it, little girl. Stop it. Stop it.
Jesus.
The bag back up it me.
Tell me money.
Rich. I'm rich. I get money. I'm rich. Kayla. Where rich sister?
Shanice rich.
Where rich?
Shanice money.
Where money that girl?
Dive in there, man. I see if you can dive in this. Well, that boy. Hi. Bomba. Good.
Hey, why make you not come to school?
I can question that the same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You know see difference. You know see my nose pierce. You don't see I haven't touched sale. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say,
No. Wait. Can you just click in my brain? Can I cover my brain in the way? How much tell the man say how much?
18 hours.
You know say a lie. You is a liar, Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who attack. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. Tony, can't believe I'm talking.
where do you so?
No hungry.
What you mean, no?
Best down that chair take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard.
Yo, where are you with?
How this a job one?
I am same one.
Where are you with?
So, where are you with them?
We speak to them.
You know what?
You don't see I'm a woman and her friend.
Where woman?
She. Yeah?
And her friend?
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear, my boy.
How much? You know how old she be? Yeah? How old she be? 19. Listen, 19. I thought you walk around tell the man them that you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you have broke up with that, sir? I can't take off your gun. Hey, over here, go. That idiot, you ever see me gun? You ever see me gun? Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Alright now, a batty boy.
Must swallow, boy. Must swallow. Must swallow, boy. How you go?
Remember me I go. It's too me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So I left.
How you mean it? Me not have time for you. You me a call look for?
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When last I come look for me? When last I come over here, Timmy?
I work. Sick. You have it?
Yeah.
Are you warm?
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, you have it. You know what that? You know what that? That's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And I just see when I tell him I can talk about how it are mine, because he not no more.
Ah! How it all mine? In all the money. You hear me, son? I'm sick right now myself. Me feel like I'm pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Because you look like me pregnant with you. Can you hear me, son? You hear me, son? And for me, have you either. I maintain it for your baby because you kill, you murder your mother at birth.